Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are attending. So welcome everyone. So thanks for joining with us today. So could you please move to next slide? Yeah. So first, brief me about a little bit about next gen data aspirants community. So myself, 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒂. So I'm the founder of this NDIC community. So I'm a Microsoft Fabric community super user, and I do have around 5+ years of experience in data and analytics field. So currently I'm working in the one of the MNC in India as a data engineering specialist. So Ajay, next you can go.
Yeah. Hey, hi everyone. My name is 𝒂𝒊𝒏𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒂. I'm working as a BA developer at Genpact India Private Limited, and yeah, just I want to share some session etiquettes with everyone. So be on mute throughout this session. If you have any questions, just drop your question in the chat box. Speaker will respond at the end of the Q&A session, and respect others' viewpoints. And also, like if when we start Q&A session, just raise your hand so that we can ask each and one by one. Yeah, and Sainath, I'm handing over to
Just
you.
one minute. Sorry to disturb you, Ajay. Just one announcement. So at the end of the session, we will conduct a quiz. So in the quiz, winner will get a goodie from NDA till end of the session, and we will have an interactive quiz. In that, who is winning the quiz, those will get the goodie from the NDIC. So I welcome Sainath Reddy. So Sainath, can you please share your screen and introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks Ajay and Subhana Babu. Let me share my screen. Yeah, please let me know once my share is visible.
Yeah, it's visible, Sainath.
Okay. It's a presentation slide only, right? I'm not able to see.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on presentation.
Yeah, hi, welcome everyone. My name is Sainath Reddy. So today we will start with a demo with a live demo related to Power BI, how to connect with GitHub. And this is a knowledge sharing session. So you can feel free to approach anytime if you have any questions, like as I mentioned, right? You can mention in the chat box, we will respond to you. And moreover, let's jump into the next slide. And I just want to know about the audience, like how many of from know about Power BI and Git? Just raise your hand, like. No. You can unmute yourself. I mean, it's a interactive session.
Yes, so Power BI I am aware, but GitHub quite new.
Okay, that's great. So today, yeah, we'll go with like agenda. So as I mentioned, we just brief introduction about Git and GitHub and Power BI, how it will be useful to with Git integration
Sai,
and without Git
Sai,
integration.
just hold on. Someone is shared the screen, I think. Who's that?
Arun Malini, can you please?
Sai, could you please reshare again your screen?
Okay, no problem. Where is that button? Let me share. Please bear with me, guys. Today network is very slow. How many from Hyderabad, Bangalore? Just raise a hand. Just want to interact with you guys. Let's jump into the session. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible, Saina.
Yeah, thanks. So this is our agenda today. So Git and GitHub introduction, and Power BI without a Git, and CID concepts for Power BI, and we'll directly jump into live demo with financial data set. And I just want to start with one use case. So anybody in the team, like who worked on late night in the Friday night. So if they imagine there is a something issue in the Power BI or else in the production report. So how much time it will take to you? So you are rushing up and log out from the office. Just want to know. Just the report is broken. You have some critical incident or like phone from the users, so there is a issue, so you need to get back that changes in the rollback. So how much time it will take for us, like rough example, anybody?
Sign actually like nowadays like Copilot and this like AI tool come, right? So before it's taking a lot of time. As
Hmm.
like when I worked on
No,
like
I mean you have deployed the report, there is something issue, so you cannot change back that changes. You need to find the what is the issue, and you need to revert back the changes in the PBA. If you have backup file, it is fine. Without backup file, like how can we? How much time it will take? Simple,
it
roughly
depends.
half an hour,
It
2 hours,
took
1 hour.
2-3 hours, 2-3 hours.
Yeah, exactly. Even I face same things. Like the real work we do. Sometimes it messy. Sometimes if you are working with multiple team members, so somebody did some changes and other person did XYZ changes. So the sometimes files will be override, right? So we cannot sure who published. I mean, we can find out the who published or what are the changes, but we cannot read like we can put in a simple way. Can anybody can tell me that without opening Power BI desktop, what are the changes in the PBX file? Can you read it? I mean, is it possible to read it in the PBX file without opening Power BI?
No,
I mean,
actually.
it's
No.
imaginary, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understood. I mean, we will jump into the next slides. So is it changing? Babu, is it changing from
No.
agenda?
No.
No.
Why it is? Yeah. Let's jump into Git. What is Git and GitHub related? So it's a simple manner. GitHub. So if you assume this is a developer one, developer two, have working on same report, and they want to combine the changes into one chain. So it will be a difficult task or easy task. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's very mess. So with Git you can create a branch, local branch and local repositories, so it's easy to maintain one repo. So I will tell you in detail in the live. So it's a just imagine they have created a one local Git repository, Power BI developer 1 and developer 2. They have committed their changes and created a feature grid branch. So then they have merged into a master branch. Nothing but we have a dev, test, prod, three types of locations in the Power BI, right? So same imagine this is a dev version is a feature branch, and they have published this feature branch into dev version, and they have committed all the changes into master branch, nothing but a staging area. So then they have sync with Power BI service in the production service. So in a simple manner, so we have saved the file 1, file 2, file 3 in our local version. One of our team member will take all the changes and override it into one single file, and it is once it taken all the changes from different developers, they can put into single file and publish into dev. Then it will go through the deployment pipelines like dev, test, prod in a simple manner. So in the Azure DevOps, we will do same things through Git and Git related committed and changes. And so what is GitHub? It's a before GitHub, we need to know about version control system and how it help us. So like I said, the Friday night we have some issue, so we need to revert back. There are multiple users, developers involved in the changes, and they have log off. You don't know what they did changes. You want to find out, but they are not reachable. So they have changed their files in a local version, but they have we don't know what the file exactly where they have saved, but you don't have any controls. So in that scenario, when we coming to this GitHub, the GitHub is a local cloud-based repository, a centralized cloud-based. You can save all your files in simple way. So and you can track all your files in the GitHub, and you can use GitHub or Azure DevOps. As of now, GitHub and Azure DevOps are supporting for Git versioning in Power BI. And collaborative, you can find out who are the changes, and user 1 or user 2 each will be tracked in a GitHub in a file manner. And if you need to revert anything, you can directly revert in a single click, like using a revert the commit changes from GitHub. So coming to next slide. So with Git and without GitHub. So without GitHub, like I said, the manual naming you have to give financial data set or financial report 1, 2, 3, and it's a risk of overwriting, and there is no rollback. We can find history, but not the exact history of what changes make in the pipelines. So, but even if you're working with a PBX file, in terms of user mean a lot of copying, and you have to copy each and every version. So it is taking bit amount of size. And when you're working with a project-based development, we can treat that Power BI reports like a code track changes and collaborative easy with Azure DevOps or like GitHub. So using GitHub, you can manage various versions of Power BI reports and dataset. You can track changes. I mean, you can track changes automatically in a easy manner, not a like in what we do daily works. So, and this is the importance of GitHub. So when you use the GitHub, you can track the changes, and you can understanding the version controlling, what are the practical cases, what happened, and you can find the entire streamline of workflows. And it is a centralized version of controlling. You don't need to go check and each and every where it is done. You can have a centralized project repository. You can trace back it is, and it is improved at traceability. You can find it and easy to access everyone in the team. And it is a safety, and it will support continuous integration and continuous development. CE/CD concept in the Power BI in the manner of I will tell you. So in the simple language, I try to put in the simple way to understand easy way. So if you find what is mean by repository, so upcoming we go through in the GitHub. So you will find this, what is repository, commit, branch. So if you see the repository, nothing but like a GitHub folder. So something like a Power BI project folder, you can save in the D drive or T drive, something here, desktop. It is a folder, nothing like simply remember repository, nothing but like a folder. And what is mean by commit? A commit of a snapshot of your changes. So you have added an file in the report. So one changes in the another report. So each change like a one commit. And branch. So if you developer and moving to production, so each changes will treat it as a separate line of development. And merge, what are the changes you make from your report. So you have committed these changes into dev to production. This is the merge. You are combining all your changes into one branch to another, like one environment to another environment. And PR is like a pull request. It a merge request for a merge code with review, like if you want to know that what are the changes did by two developers, they will send an entire document or email. So without documents, emails, the Power BI admin will read everything, so he need to understand, then combine those changes. But in case in the GitHub, we use a PR, pull request. It is a automatic tool. It will combine your merges into new report into our two changes into one merge. And clone is nothing but a copy of your project one. So if you want copy that project to entire another project, you need to just a clone. Using the clone, you can copy the entire project. And push also something like the push button, like send your changes to GitHub after editing our files to push our changes into dev environment. And same as pull also. So once you change any after committing your changes from local report, so pull request nothing but it will get the latest changes. I hope easy to understood. Don't worry, very it is new, but later you will understood easily. So once you demo, and this is the Power BI Git integration artifacts. So something supported in Power BI, we have a PBX file, right? So in the PBX files, we can do lot things and habituated everyone. But for Git integration, PBX file is not supported. As earlier said, PBX file is a binary supported format. You cannot read that what exactly in the PBX file without opening Power BI desktop. But computer will read, right, binary format. So in the PBX file, you can read using these other tools like Visual Studio or Power BI. So any artifacts in the, it's like a layer, project one, reporting 1, 2, 3. Like I will show you that exact the format, how it will save you in the PBI format. So easy to read what is exactly in that in a TDML format. So, and this will support in the PageNet reports and data pipelines, lakehouse, notebooks, and warehouse Spark jobs, and still is in a let's, and some of the key limitation, it will only support PBIP format, and we have some other limitations. I will share you in the next. So if you see, okay, it will jump into others. So even if you see, we will save files, right? File 1, file 2. So these are the some of other limitation. So if you committed any change, the change have the limit. So 125 of MB only it will take into one commit. So this is some drawback. I mean, if you have PBX files more than 1 GB, 2 GB, that kind of large data set cannot be committed in a single go. But there are other tools we can use for those large data set, but you can use for up to 125 per MB size of commit. And same as maximum file size is 25 MB for each artifact, and we cannot download PBX files once we integrated this Git in the Power BI service. So there are some other disadvantages, but good to go collaborating with Git integration, and some of sensitive labels also don't support, and most important and horrible to video, it doesn't support deployment pipelines. But same feature, like we can directly use this GitHub to dev, test, prod, same as a feature branches to main branches. We can I will show you in that demo. So this is the files example. So if you have saving the files version 2, version 3, version 4, like it's a makes sense. If you have backups, if you don't have backups, you need to work very hard. So these are the main supporting files in Power BI. PBX files like a binary format, PBIP project folder. So PBI, now we are using this PBIP format as a project folder. It is a Git friendly, and it will support the Git integration, but PBX will not support. And CE/CD also, it is very limited in PBX file, but in PBAP we can use via Git or REST APIs. Same as PBAR also, this is a new format. It is enhanced reporting format also in the Power BI. And we can use this structured grade friendly use. Let's jump into. So these are advantage of, see, I told you, right, PBAP structure, like this is the structure of PBAP format. So it will save this PBAP file, and the next step it will save the report and report definition and semantic model related information. It's like a step by step in a folder format, and easy to understood, and compared to PBX file, it's very easy to access and readability. And some of disadvantage also there, like previously we told, right, it is not supported to deployment pipelines, and it is some of still complex for beginners and limiting tool supporting also in terms of PBX Power BI desktop. So we will moving to demo session. So before to start demo session, I just want to inform you related what are the requirements. So you need a Power BI desktop. In the Power BI desktop, you need to enable this PV feature, PBI or format. I will share you. Let me stop and reshare my PBX file. Please confirm if I sharing my file PBX correctly. Yeah, here there. Not bad. Some of, okay. Can anyone confirm? Is I'm sharing the PBX file, right?
Yes, Sai.
Yeah, thank you. This is a simple Power BI file. I just created a random sample data. I will show you what we need to before to start. This is the options where you have to enable one preview feature. So in this preview feature, you need to enable this feature. PBAP save option you need to enable, and then you have to restart your system, then it will automatically detect your changes. And same as you need this is say desktop, I mean GitHub. You need to you can simply Google it, you can download from Google. So there is nothing complex in the download these softwares. Let me show you simply. You can directly find download GitHub, or else I will share you links in the chat after our session. So just you need to click here desktop related. So after downloading this GitHub related softwares, you need to create one account. So one account, after you are creating a Git account, it is a free version you can use. So just you need to come here, options and accounts. In the accounts, once you click on the sign in button, it will come you sign in. So it will take time to again sign out, sign in. So simple sign in process. So once you sign in, it will show you this your GitHub account and your username and this one. And these are other options, nothing to worry, it's simple. And this is the GitHubs. If you see, there are repository branch. Currently, I have created one local repository. So this is the user interface, how it's look like. And if you want to know this entire Git related, yeah, this is my Git account. So in this Git account, I need, once I sync with my local report GitHub. So it will automatically show you the new repo I have just before to created. So it will show you. So this is the read file. So Power BI project with financial reporting. This is our project structure. So we'll go through this each and every step. Coming to Power BI desktop. So in this desktop, so I need to save this in our PC. So if you save here, so I have just came to downloads and I have created one folder as a Git. So in this Git, I have already saved one repo here. So if you save here, but before to save, you need to click here a PBIP format. So if you save PBX, it will not support. You need to save as a PBIP format in the here. So let me see. Now I am saving my report in PBIP format in my local Git folder. So this is my Git folder. I am saving here. So once it is saved, it will show you like Power BI project. It is saved in Git repo PBIP format. Now we have created this PBIP format related file in our local. Now I need to sync this PBIP format related file into GitHub. So once I open this GitHub, see, before you don't find any right. So if you see here, anybody remember? I mean, this is the new report, or else I will show you what is exactly here. So this is the 9 hours new report I have created. So that is the new old report, financial report related changes. These are the financial report changes. Now, when I save this comprehensive business analysis report in my Git repo. So when I said that Git repo here, the report automatically GitHub, it will integrate it automatically from this report to here. So when I save here, it will automatically save two folders, like one report folder. So in this report folder, you will find this report and report definition. So here you can use this PBIP file. You can directly open, and these are the structure related format. So another one is, these are the two folders will automatically created once you save as a PBIP format in your local repo. So these are the git ignore, this is the normal, and this is our main report, right? So when I add, automatically it is changing as a changes. So I have already created one repository in the GitHub. So in that I have two branches like main. Simply it is a prod environment. I have created one more branch in the recent branch, nothing but a feature branch. So to change my changes, like if you think two or developers are working, they will create a feature branch like 1, 2, 3. So these 1 or 2, 3 branches will merge into main. So let me show you. Before that, we need to give a changes like new report to Git. You can give any comments like a description also, nothing but. So these are the changes will go into the cloud environment, or else see, I need to click this commit. These 13 files will commit into our Git through this feature branch. Let me show you that. If you see here, See, if you still 8 hours back, there is a financial report have deployed, but there is no other files here. Let me refresh here. Did you find anything? Something difference here? Like we are in a main branch, so just we need to back to feature branch, so nothing but our local branch. So once you move into this local branch, feature branch, if you see there are some changes in the report, but you don't find your latest changes here. Let me see why it is not showing. Yeah, we need to click here, push out. So once you commit changes, it will went to the live. Yeah, I have committed my changes. We'll see. Is it coming here? Yeah, see, 1 minute ago. So this is the file, you guys. Even you can see entire changes will be coming like here 9 hours ago, 1 minute ago. If you see, this is our new report to Git. Whatever the comment you given, it will come here. So it will save as a report folder and semantic. So I just want to see what is this changes here. See, exactly. I mean, you can directly see what are the changes in this report. So if you see, this is a report save is a JSON format. It is readable. If you give any readme project, like you can still this also go into report level. So I just given. So if you see, this is the pull request, right? I have mentioned. So 1 minute ago, we have created one pull request, right, in GitHub. So this GitHub related 1 minute ago is showing in our cloud. So see, it is easy to sync this all request. So I just want to commit our changes. See, I want to just compare these changes into our request. Let me see. So what we can find. So this is the first time report, right? You don't find this left side and right side. This is the first time going. You don't find any changes, right? I will show you what are the exact changes. So I mean, it's very pretty easy, right, to compare what are the changes. This is the first time, right? It won't see. Just create a pull request. So we are just merging our changes into a feature branch. So I just committed. If you see, there is no conflict in the base branch. I mean, these are the new changes are going into live. So there is no conflicts. I mean, there are, if merge this pull request. So I want to this future branch with new report development, like. So just I want to, just a track purpose, we are giving some description to trace back if there is. So I just committed my changes. Pull request successfully merged and closed. So once we click on this pull request successfully merged, so it will automatically show into our commits. See, this is our 4 minutes ago. Let's see what are the commits we did. See, this is a new report into Git, right? So the same information. Let's go to our main branch. So if you see, our main branch will don't show you this changes, right? Yeah, we are already committed, right? So once you committed, it will coming to main branch. So in main branch also you have to commit this pull request. Just so I will show you our Power BI report. So this is the report. We already went to live. So there is no changes right here. If you see, this is the history 4 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. Just I want to save some changes or delete something we don't require. So how it will be tracked, and we need to find out those. latest changes are committed in our report. Okay, no need to think this. This is merged right into main. Okay. Just confirming back. There are 2 committed. So I just want to commit changes 9 hours ago, 8 hours ago. Okay, there is no description of new changes into main. This is showing as a future branch to main branch. So what are the commits we did? Yeah, all the commit changes are merged into one pull request. Okay, this is fine. This came to main branch. Now we need to change. So this is the TDML. You can directly find what is the code here, same as our Visual Studio in the GitHub. So this is a good thing. Power BI developers know about this TDML view. So it will help you to track each and everything in your report level. So just I want to add new changes. Can anyone suggest one DAX measure? Just want to interact with you guys. So just we want to change one new change, or else we will create a DAX measures or something. We need to change something, right?
Sai, we can calculate previous year sales.
Yeah, sure.
Or like discount in the total year.
No problem. We'll go with a small one first, because I need to commit all these changes and sum of profit. Just I want to show you what are the will reflect in the report level. So this is new change, right? So I just click this one. So the new change, yeah. So this is 629, right, guys? Let's save this change. Before to change, if you find here, there is no changes in our GitHub. So just I want to click here. So these new changes will detect in our GitHub. Yeah, I have changed now. We'll see. See, these are the changes detected by automatically GitHub. So what are the changes? If you see here, before, see, where is our change? I have clicked this TDML view, right? That's why it is showing as a TDML related also changes. TDML disk related, where is our total profit? Yeah, see guys, this is the total profit. So this is the right side in the green. This is a new change is available in our local, I mean our PBI file. This is not available in our cloud. So just I want to commit this changes as a new measure created. So description is simple. I mean, you can create. Just I want to commit these changes into our cloud. So see, I have pushed our changes into. So if you see, these are the changes just now I have created. This change will show you in the cloud directly. Let me show you. Where is our cloud GitHub? Can anyone see our new change? Anyone? Is it showing?
No, Sai, I think it's showing 9 minutes ago. I think we need to merge the branch.
No. We are in the main branch, right? Just we need to move to feature branch. So once you move into feature branch, see, just now 8 commits. You know that 8 files changes it's showing, right? So just go to this new measure created. See, it will sync automatically. Just we need to click 1 or 2. So exactly where is our TDML? If you see this, you can easily find what are the changes have we made. Where is our measure? I think I didn't click that TDML view, guys. Otherwise, it will show only one single change. Easy to show you, but you can good to think this TDML view also easy to find out. Where is this is our total profit. It is in now cloud base our feature branch. We need to commit this also into our main branch. Move to main. So see, you need to like that the more painful thing in our development in Power BI is you don't exactly know what are the changes compared to previous version until you have to check each and report wise. There are other some tools we have like AML tool, other DAX Studio, but in the GitHub you can find easily before after changes. You are seeing right in front of me. This is the real changes what we do. Easily find out. You can track each and every change in your just you can write anything. Just click on commit. It will commit to our branch. So this 8 changes will committed here. Yeah, I just committed now. We'll go to the pull request. Is it committed to or not? We'll see. Just refresh this one. I mean, you understood, right? So the change what we have made in the sum of profit, so that automatically integrated to here. So before that, I need to revert it back. So there is like we'll create one more measure simply. What's time now? Babu, is it okay to extend 10 to 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's now 6:44 and we have the time till 7. After that, we will open the floor for the questions.
Yeah, sure. So it's a huge subject. Try to wrap it very fastly. So I just created one more DAX measure. Just I am saving this, so it will automatically detect to our change. See, now it will showing one change. So you can understand, right? Simply this is the one change we made. New total sales. So I just want to commit this total change, push to Arjun. Even you can see these changes in Visual Studio. There is, but it is very hard to find the first time, but easy to track everything in the Visual Studio. This is the TDML view, right? I told you. So you can find exactly what are the tables here. Entire flow will be showing the Visual Studio. So this is our repo. So in this repo, it will show you this is the report model. What are the changes? So easy to track everything in the Visual Studio. User friendly, I can say. Same. What are the changes I'm making in the GitHub? You can use this Visual Studio also. So if familiar with, we'll see there is any changes in our feature branch. Yeah, 5 minutes ago, see the total sales added here. See, now I have added total changes here, but I want to revert back this change. So I don't want to commit this change because we already committed, right? So it is came to live. So how we can revert back? I mean, if you think it in a normal way, like there are changes, entire report you have changed, not in terms of single one, but you have made committed so many, but you want to revert back it. So I just want to revert these changes. So just go to here, click. See, these are the where is revert changes in commit. See, this is the option. So once you click here, revert in commit, it will automatically go to your previous version. So this total sales will be gone. Like, see, now I have just going to my previous version. If you understood, right? So these are the newly added total sales in our local to main. I want to revert back it to again to total sales. So just I want to push these changes into our main. We'll see these changes are revert back or not. So still in one change, this one. So there are merge. I just want to see where is our pull request here. New changes to main 4 hours ago. There is no pull request. Okay. So we have already committed, right? The total sales will here. Total sales. Here also we can revert this. Where is that feature? I mean, whatever the show in the GitHub, right? So you can directly come here also. You can revert back your changes in the see, this is the revert commit. So if you see, this revert will show you here. So previously we have added this one. It will revert our changes into our changes. Yeah, this revert commit, we need to create a new pull request. So if you see, compared with future branch, so new measure created 8 minutes ago. We'll create a pull request. All these changes will go into main branch. Just I want to commit all before our total sum of sales to main. I'm creating a pull request. So this is a pull request, nothing but you are creating a one change to merge your code. Like if you have Power BI admin, you are 5 to 6 developers come up with new changes. Everyone will review, right? So they have review each and every change. They have created technical document, everything. So once they are fine with, they will create a one ticket or something like in Azure DevOps. We create a pull request in Azure or GitHub. So this pull, we see there is no conflict in base branch. What are the changes are going this one? New measures created, total sales, and revert to total sales. So I want to commit this merge into main. So I created, so I am confirming there is no issues. I'm merging into main. So it will go to the, see, these are the changes each created. So each here, see, if you see, I just committed our changes to main. I mean, this branch, what are the feature branch related already committed to main. I mean, it is went to production. So it went to production means it is on live at the report level, or else if you not yet showing the Power BI is right, so will come here. So again, we will confuse. See, if you see, there is a revert button, right? Same as I show you the total sales, what are the change we did, and revert back to previous. I mean, we have deleted that total sales. So if you find one measure, easy to find one measure, not a problem. But if you want to commit changes, entire your changes in the production, entire new report, so very hard. If you have backup, you can replace it. But each and every change you have to revert back or entire report, it will I mean, you know how much painful, right? So if you click here, it will create revert back to our normal branch again. So I don't want to revert this. So it is already committed, right? 3 commits are went to main branch. Okay, fine. These are already merged into our. So let me show you. So I think pretty we covered all. I mean, commit new changes with Git and revert back. There is any scenario we need to cover it. Okay, I just did not show you. I am closing my previous 645, right? I think we save this total sales, right? I don't want to save this one. See if you feature branch, all are merged into same. Yeah, it is merged. All committers are coming to here. We'll see what are the changes came here. Financials, TDML view, all. We'll see there is a total sales or came or not. No, I think it will not come. Yeah, it's not came. Even it's a JSON format, but good thing we can find each and everything in JSON format also, easy to compare. TDML view, yeah, total profit is came, but our total sales is not came because we have already revert back, right? How it will came, it will not come. We'll go, I will show you our file. Let's change this. Right, 845 we have changed, right? Now I'm opening our file again. We'll see what are the changes available or not. I mean, if you one user and one developer worked on report, he's changed and committed into GitHub and he went off, and you are coming to next overtaking those changes, you need to find what are the changes in his file. See, total profit. Previously we have added one more measure, right? Total sales, but it should be available, right? Why it is not available? Can anyone tell me? So we have created total sales measure also in the our PBI file, and we saved and closed, but we published into GitHub. But why it is not showing in our local file? Anyone guess?
I think we haven't committed the changes, Sai.
No, we already committed. If you see in the GitHub, we already committed, right? Those changes, but we have reverted back, right? Again. So, I mean, we have created one and we saved the PBX file, and I came to know there is something changed, that measure is not working. I mean, the simple scenario. So we need to revert back. So I have reverted already this one. It is reverted in the GitHub. I did not go and delete in the PBX file, right? So if you find anything normal scenario, you have to go and delete that measure and you have to save it, right? But here, what is thing happening in backend? We have already sync with repository, right? So this is the repository, new SAI repository. I have reverted those changes into previous version. So our file also will automatically save these changes into this one. So if the new user, I mean new developer will come and he will work on again. So I just want to show you Power BI service now. So if you find these are the changes, how we can create a new measure, new changes, how we can revert back things if anything goes wrong. So these are the petty simple examples. I mean, you can play with anything. So I think this pretty thing we covered almost. So just want to give overview like how in real time will work in GitHub. So this is the code related one. So we have changes, right? Before change, we will get one issue related something trace back. So this is the issue format. So the like a ticket or something you have find out. So if you see, this is the issue we found out. We have team of 4 developers. They have working in same report. It is overwritten. So this is the issue main we found out. So this issue will come like this in real scenario. So each Power BI developer on the team they will track or comment out everything in this track. I mean, you can come and see, even users also will see this issue tracker. So you don't need to that even Excel or SharePoint, you will track every changes or tickets, right? You don't need to track, everything will be come here. So whoever come and changes their analysis, everything will be tracked into Git repo. So this is the issue. I mean, real time we will find some issues are here. Still it is open. I think we can close now. So closed one, author related, everything will show and what are the commits they given. So this is new changes to main. We have already committed these changes. Let's, I mean, we can create new pull request. Still it is available. Okay, it is already went. So I just want to show you our Power BI. See, this is a coming to picture. This is our my GitHub is a one workspace I have created. So if I come my workspace, my GitHub Power BI service. So previously I have created one financial report. It is already showing in the service. So we have now created a comprehensive report, right? Financial related one. So it is showing as a Git status sync. If you open your old reports, I think I don't have. We'll see if you find. I think no. Let me. I mean, previously I don't have any PBX file. We'll see. This one I will publish into our service. So you can compare what are the Git related or normal things. Come. Yeah, it will take time load. We need to publish manually everything. Not now. This is just a normal PBX file, just working on save changes. I mean, I'm publishing to service. We'll see how it will save my GitHub. So this is the PBX file, guys. I mean, already we have financial date report 1.1. So it is okay. Come on, publish. I think I should take small one. So I actually planning all these changes into our new report. Due to time constraint, we are already left with no time. So come on, I think it will publish into service. So before that, I will cover this service related. So once it is published into service, yeah, I think it is published, right? So these PBX files also came into service. See, if you see, these changes are uncommitted. So before that, we need to change something here, main important. Any workspace, you have to integrate it with Git. So I have connected Git repo with my, see, if you see previously, we have connected, right? Our PBI Git repo. This is our Git repo. So this PBIP new SAI repo is connected with my GitHub workspace. So it is successfully connected, and this is a feature branch and main branch. So it is very straightforward. Just once you click on this, automatically will ask your credentials. So just give your credentials and SSS token also there. So you can directly find out in Google, just a connection thing, give your password. Now in the Git repo, we have two branches, like same as feature branch, nothing but dev and main. So now I want to show main related one. So we'll see here. If you see here, there is something source control. Normal workspace, we don't find this. It is, I think I should publish here. Okay, no problem. Where is our workspace? So it is directly sync with our changes. If you see, this is the updates, right? If you don't see our comprehensive business analysis new report, see, you are able to find, because we already committed our changes into main branch, right? So these are the updates, these are the changes. See how automatically it is synced with our service. Very simple and straightforward. So this is a new dashboard. Previously I have created a dashboard, but I didn't committed our changes because it's showing is uncommitted. This is showing as a already created report, read required a updates. These are the changes, new published one, uncommitted changes. But if you see our new changes comprehensive, see I just want to update all. See, it will come automatically to our Power BI service also. I think this is a pretty end to end. I hope everyone understood. But you can practice, guys. So practice makes perfect. So I think I already covered. Babu, over to you. I will show you the changes after. So due to time consuming, we'll go with the next one. So it will take time.
Yeah, I think we
some
can answer questions. Ajay, you can read and Sai will answer.
Okay, say like suppose currently is the data set, right? So if it is a real-time data set, I have a SQL, I have Postgres, or like I have like so some other real-time data is coming. So in that time, like how this pipeline will work, and like when can we like suppose the real-time data means like I'm getting data from every 30 minutes or every 1 hour. So pipeline, how pipeline will like inject every, it automatically run and it will show the Power BI dashboard every 30 minutes will update it.
No, live reports will not support.
Okay.
So you need to change in the PBIP format. I mentioned clearly, PBX will support everything, but in PBIP format, it show save in the folder structure.
Okay. Okay. In that case, suppose if you live data, we store it in somewhere like a data lake or whatever. So that data
it will automatically, once it is sync with your Power BI desktop, right? Or else in the report, so it will come into our service also. So there is no direct impact here. So if you see now, you are able to see my screen, right? Still, so our changes are synced automatically. Same what I mentioned previously, everything will sync into here.
Okay, got it.
Still it is loading. I mean, it will come.
Okay. So, say like, so what are the like failure cases in this pipeline? What are the failure cases mainly? Suppose still we are like we properly follow the steps and we still we are facing the follow. So what kind of like where we need to expect it? Oh, this is the like failure cases like that, Sai.
Failure cases like commits when coming to Power BI, this one. So when you committed some changes but you did not created a PR, so that will still into your local branch only. It will not showing to live, I mean in the production environment, until you commit your all PRs merge into main branch, then only it will show. But pretty straightforward. They're not much complex issues compared to our normal development to this pull request related. So it will straightforward. It will show you everything here one by one, but you need to commit and compare each and every changes. See, like previously I have merged, right? So this merge conflict should be, will give you some of like 2 or 3 developers are committing the same time simultaneously. So the same file have committed simultaneous same time 2 developers, for example. It will show you conflicts, like already you have latest changes, do you want to commit or not? It will clearly show you. It showing now no conflicts, but if there is in conflict, it will show you directly here. So then you can check what are the conflicts there. I mean previous version to our latest version, 2 developers simultaneously develop same things. It will show you already total sales all measure already created. You want to commit these changes or else you want to overwrite your changes, like there is any conflict. So it will ask you each and every step. But
Okay,
those
is there any
changes, I mean,
yes, I like, is there
sorry.
any consequence, like suppose two developer is there, one developer already committed and second developer is committing after 5 minutes. Is there any consequence like, so this both will go to like the pipeline, and again, like we can see some kind of like disturbance in the, like the reports. Any
No,
consequence?
because we have creating a feature and main branch, right? So anything will go to directly feature branch, nothing but our dev version. So until you find with every changes, then only you are committing to main branch, right? Everything will be saved into local branch or feature branch. It will not sync with our service. So in service, we take only source related main branch, nothing but our prod versions. So it is pretty, I mean, safe, I say. So we are just taking main branch related service, right? So once you show this report to reports users also, they don't find any disturbance in the report level. Same like our dev test version in prod. So this is the main branch will sync with here. So local branch changes, you can revert back, do anything analysis, it will give you. I don't have that scenario, conflict scenario. If we have two developers same simultaneously, we can show, but it will show you each and every tag. If you see there is no conflict here, it will directly tell merge pull request. If there is any conflict, it will show you there is a conflict like file 1, file 2. Let me show you, like if you find. No, I mean, you see previously, right?
Got it, Sai. So I
Yeah.
got your point, Sai. So like means like any kind of data set or any kind, but real time we cannot use it in PBX, right? Like other than that, like if it is static data, like we can show it in the reports. But real time
No,
data, again we need to
real
save it
time
in.
data also we can use, but that required gateway integration also. So
Okay, got it,
I
got
mean,
it, got it.
the large set of files will not support it, but in Fabric we can do. So there is another planning session with Babu. So we will come up with a new Fabric integrated service related, how we can overcome these changes with Fabric. So that is much advanced. So
Okay,
we'll come up with new changes. I mean, new demo session with how we can integrate it with Fabric, same kind of analysis. So there we can save as a Parquet files. It will reduce our size of amount.
okay, got it, Sai. Thank you so much.
Sai, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah,
Just
Babu, please.
before questions, we will take a pause and we will go for quiz.
Sure,
Okay.
sure. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Could you please stop your screen sharing?
Yeah, I
I'll
did.
share
Yeah.
my screen.
Thanks, Babu. Yeah, go ahead.
So just give me a moment, guys. Like I'm sharing my screen. Please pick your mobiles. Be ready.
Babu, can I participate?
No. Speaker,
No,
no.
no, I'm just asking. I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, our users are not speaking anything, so just interact with them, how they feel.
So I'm
Yeah, we'll
sharing my
go with.
screen.
Go ahead, please. Come on, guys. This is a
Hope my
chance
screen is
to get.
visible. Please scan this QR code from your mobile, or else go to slido.com and enter this code, and please enter your name. Yeah, Neeraj. Okay, thank you. Ram
One
Mohan.
second.
Okay, Raj, Maha, Sriram, Suresh. Okay, come on, guys.
Oh,
We'll
more
wait for
more
1 more
people.
minute.
Yeah, 42 members. Come on, guys. Join the quiz. I mean, please, you can use this slido.com and you can directly enter your code.
Deepak. Okay. Just if you are unable to scan this QR code, go to slido.com and enter this code. 27, okay, 28, 9. Yeah, Sri Hari, okay. Okay, guys, can anyone facing any issue for joining the quiz? 32. Come on. 33. If we got 35, we can start. 33. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, I think 34. So I'm giving 10 to 20 seconds. If anyone wants to join, please join. 34. Sure. Okay. Thanks. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. Please look on your mobile screens. I'm launching first question. Oh, sorry. Will be the answering the fast and correct answer? Time is up. Okay, let's see. Automatic version tracking. Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, 80% of people guessed correct. So let's see the leaderboard. Okay, Vigneshwar. Okay, thank you. So next, I'm launching next question. Please look at your mobile screens. Time is up. Let's see. Okay, let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, most of you have guessed correctly. PBIX files. Let's see the leaderboard. Oh, Manjunath. Okay. Next. So I'm launching third question. Please look at your mobile screens. Yeah, time is up. Oh, mixing answers. Okay, let's see what's the correct answer. Yes, to create separate line of development. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. Okay, I think it's launched. Fourth question. Okay, no problem. Okay, here also so many mixing answers. Okay, fine. Let's see the correct answer. Correct answer is only PBIP projects are supported. Correct. Let's see the leaderboard. Manjunath is still leading the leaderboard. Okay. Now I'm launching final question. Please look at your mobile screens and choose correct answer within the less time. Yeah, time is up. So let's see the correct answer. Yes, almost most of you guessed the correct answer. Let's see the winner of this quiz. Yeah, congratulations, Manjunathan. So let me stop my screen sharing. And Mogadeshwaran, are you there?
Yes, Suparna.
Mogadeshwaran, could you please get the details of Manjunathan R? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now let's resume our Q&A session.
So Manjunathan will get goodies.
Yes.
Oh, congratulations, Manjunath.